Hello, you little fifth graders. It is time to review some place value problems, some rounding problems, and some comparing problems. So make sure you have a sheet of paper out and ready to work. First things first, I want you to tell me the place of all of these digits right here. Do that on your sheet of paper. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. Number one, that is the tenths place. Number two, that is the tens place. Number three, that is the thousands place. Number four, that is the 10,000s place. Number five, that is the millions. Number six, that is the hundreds. Number seven, that is the 100,000. Number eight, that is the hundreds. Number nine, that is the ones. Oops, can't spell. And the zero is the thousands. All of that should have been very easy because it's the first thing I taught you this year. The next thing, place this number in expanded form on your paper. Do that right now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. The 3 is in the thousands place. So in parentheses, I put 3 times 1,000. Plus, the 8 is in the hundreds place. So 8 times 100. Plus, the 9's in the tens place. So 9 times 10. Plus, the 4 is in the ones place. So 4 times 1. Plus, the 4 is in the tenths place. So 4 times 1/10. Plus, the 8 is in the hundreds place. So 8 times 100. The next one. Place this number in expanded form. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. The 5 is in the hundreds place. So 5 times 100. The 9 is in the tens place. So 9 times 10. The 6 is in the ones place. So 6 times 1. Plus. The 1 is in the tenths place. So 1 times 1/10. Plus. The 7 is in the hundreds place. So 7 times 100. Plus. The 3 is in the thousands place. So 3 times 1,000. And the truth shall set you free. That's how you do it. It should be easy. This time, I want you to put this number in standard form. That means just like a regular number. Do that now. Pause the video. All right. 9 is in the tenths place because it's, or tens place because it says 9 times 10. So 9, ones place, decimal, tenths, hundredths, thousands. I shall fill in the blank. 5 times 1 means ones place. 7 times 100 means the hundredths place. 6 times 1,000 means the thousandth place. I have a blank space right here, so I must put a 0. I bet you got this one wrong. 95 and 76 thousandths. There is no tenth, so I had to put a 0 in the tenths place. I bet you I tricked you on that one because you forgot about this. Hopefully I didn't. Do the same thing to this expanded form. Put this in standard form. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. Now this says 4 times 1,000. So 4 is in the thousands place, comma, hundreds, tens, ones, decimal, tenths, hundredths, thousands. Now all I got to do is fill in the blank. 4 times 1,000, 9 times 1. That's the ones place. Ones place is way over here. So I already know there's going to be a 0 here and a 0 here. Now 3 times 1/10, that's the tenths place. 6 times 1,000th, that's the thousandths place. That means there'll be a 0 here. The answer is 4,009 and 306 thousandths. Now put this word form into standard form, or just like a regular number. Do that, pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. It says 347. So I'll write 347. And 9 tenths. There you go. Easy. 347 decimal 9. Rounding review time. I want you to pause the video and round each number to the nearest tenth here, hundredths here, thousandths here, and whole number here. Do that. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. Rounding to the nearest tenths. The 1 is in the tenths place. I look at the 5. The 5 tells me to round up. So the answer is 479 and 2 tenths. Rounding to the nearest hundredths. This 4 right here is in the hundredths place. That means I look at the thousandths. The 1 tells me to round down. So my answer is 28 and 44 hundredths. Rounding to the nearest thousandths. This 9 is in the thousandths place. This 6 tells me to round up. Rounding the 9 up makes the next number go up. So this 8 right here is going to go up. So my answer is 1,864 and 79 hundredths. Rounding to the nearest whole number. Whole number is ones place. So I look at the tenths place. The 4 tells me to round down, so my answer is 15. Easy, easy, easy. Now, line these two digits up and compare them, telling me greater than, less than, or equal to. Do that now. Pause the video. All right. First thing I got to do is line them up. 45, 7, 4, 7. 45, 7, 7, 4. The 4 or the tens place I can't use. Well, let me break them all down. The ones place I can't use. The tens place I can't use. Now the hundreds place is going to give me my answer. 4 is less than the 7. Okay? That means this number right here is the biggest. This number is located here. I got to make sure the open sign is facing the biggest number. The answer is 45 and 747 thousandths is less than 45 and 774 thousandths. The next one. Show your work. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. First thing you do is line them up. 6 and 676 thousandths. 6 and 767 thousandths. Make sure the decimal is lined up. Break them down into brackets, and now we can compare. I can't use the ones place. 6 and 7. All right, I can use the tenths place. This 7 is the biggest number. Here it is right here. That number is located here. I got to make sure the open part of the symbol is facing the biggest number. The answer is 6 and 676 thousandths is less than 6 and 767 thousandths. And there you have it, you little 5th graders. That is a review to help you with your assignment today. You get on that now because it is for a grade. And look at this. I was in the paper today. I am famous.